Hello, everybody. How are you? All right, I have a song. Here we go. Slippery fish, swimming in the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! He's been eaten by a jellyfish, swimming in the water. Jellyfish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! He's been eaten by a tuna fish, swimming in the water. Tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! He's been eaten by a great white shark, swimming in the water. Great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! He's been eaten by a humongous whale, swimming in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. Excuse me. That's fun song. And I sang it today because we're going to make a jellyfish in a bottle using a bag and a bottle. All you need is a small Coke bottle or pop bottle or 1 liter Coke bottle. Depends on what you have. And some water and some string and some food coloring. So here we go. First you take whatever bag. I usually use the little bags from the grocery store, the clear ones. And you take the end and you make a little head right here. Little head. And then you tie it. Take your string and tie it. Not too tight yet though. So I'm just gonna do that. And so we have a little head. See? And I don't want it to be too big in this bottle, so I think I'm gonna cut my bag here. Then you're gonna cut your bag. If you have a big bottle, then you can keep it this big. If you have a smaller bottle, then you can make it a little small. I'm going to cut that off and I don't need to use that anymore. And see, he's already looking like a jellyfish. Well, not quite. Now we're going to make him look like a jellyfish. Is he too big for that? We'll see. So now I'm going to take my scissors. Mummies and daddies can help you with this. And cut and make jellyfish tentacles. Not tentacles, what do you call them? Jellyfish stingers. Right? Because they sting. See? You're going to cut up and make jellyfish look like a jellyfish, and he's going to look like a jellyfish in a bottle. And this is my science today. What will happen when we put him in the bottle? Here we go. Jellyfish, swimming in the water. Jellyfish. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no! He's been eaten by great white shark. Make it a little bit more legs, a bit more tentacly. That's a word. I don't think that's a word, but that's okay. Oh, I get some off there. Snip, snip, snip. Then I'm going to open him up, mummies. This is your job now. Open him up to where we tied his head. There should be a little bit of a hole. If you pull your string, maybe you can make it a little bit bigger. Now, you can do this over the sink. I'm going to do this over a bowl. I'm going to pour some water in my jellyfish head. Let's see. Get some water in there. I guess when there's no more water wanting to go in, then it's full. And then I'm going to tie my string again, make it a little bit tighter this time. And then you can fill up your water bottle with water. So there we go. That's my little jellyfish, has water in his little head, and he's got all his little legs. Oh, let's cut some here. I'm going to lay him in there for a minute. And I'm going to pour some water in my bottle. Here we go. This is the ocean. What color is the ocean, my friends? Did you say blue? You'd be right. The ocean is blue. Swimming in the water. Here we go. All the water in my bottle. And I'm going to add a few drops of the blue food coloring for the ocean. 1. I don't want it to be too dark. Let's see. 2. You can decide how much food coloring you want to put in. We give it a little shake. Give it a little shake and clean off my space. Okay. It's getting a little wet here. Give it a little shake, shake, shake. What do you think? Blue ocean. Now it's time to put your octopus inside. And you're going to put him in with his head first. This is the tricky part because he's got water in him. Well, here we go. This is going to be a messy part. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Oops. If you have a big bottle, this will work a lot better. And I can take my scissors and push him in. Okay, octopus or jellyfish. In you go. In you go. I think I might have just squished out some of the water from his head. Maybe there was too much water in there. We'll see. Okay, here he is, my jellyfish, 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 swimming in the water, jellyfish, jellyfish, go, 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 whee! So if I had cut his legs a little shorter, he would move a little bit better in the water. Let's see. Can I pour some more water in my bottle from my bowl? Fill up a little bit more. Let's see. Ah, there we go. And you see our octopus? Jellyfish. You can make it an octopus. You can make 8 legs and make it an octopus too. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Now this might work better in a bigger bottle. This also, mummies and daddies, can be used for a therapy bottle. When your children are getting a little crazy and need some quiet time, let them go sit on the couch. Put a little bit of hot glue or glue this so it doesn't come off. They can't open it. Or some duct tape around it they can't take off. And let them sit and watch the jellyfish go up and down and up and down. Jellyfish. Have fun, everybody. Bye.